Hello, champions. It's a girl, Madeleine the Pro, the youngest, beautiful, top leading trader in Africa. I am so happy to connect again with you. Welcome to my YouTube channel as I share some important information. Please, but before I proceed, read the disclaimer that trading financial assets involve risk and you can lose part or all of your financial capital. You also have to understand that trading financial assets, your past performance does not really guarantee your future results. So if you made money or you made good profit previously, it might not be the case for the next trade. Also, be aware that you have to invest the amount of money you're willing to lose. Okay. And lastly, if you're looking for any financial advisor, please look for a registered, independent, certified financial advisor that can help you with any financial advice. Okay, so let's take a look of how this week the market was. I've shared some few setups at the beginning of the week. So let's make a quick recap. I have today, I'm going to make a recap of few pairs for this week, but I'm also going to share some few good setup. Okay, so stay with me. Gold, we were looking for gold to come at this particular area of our interest, and price has moved quite pretty well. It has actually passed this area and come to this level. So I want to share how gold played and how actually we are going to treat it next. So that is gold. It was a beautiful setup. We had almost more than 1,000 pips. So this was a very, very good trade. So we're looking for price to come at this level, but price actually passed by this level and price is here now. So here are the two scenarios. Price to come and bounce this level, continue with uptrend, or make a deep correction as a second scenario before it actually goes back to uptrend. So if it actually comes to this level, I'm trying to, well, I'm seeing a left shoulder here, and this becomes the head. So if at all price comes here, I'm interested to see this as, I'm interested to take this and consider this as a right shoulder, inverse head and shoulder pattern. So guys, you have to be aware that don't be ahead of the market. Wait for the market to print important structure before you actually jump in. Quick recap for you, Euro USD, we are looking for price to come at Fibonacci level 50 and 61. So let's see actually how the price are printed. So that is how Euro USD played this week. Euro USD was a good move. We are at this, we are looking for a retest at this particular zone or particular area. So price has broken this area. So we are actually looking for what? For a correction back to this area before actually it goes down. So here is a very important area, right? 50 and 61 Fibonacci level retracement. So at this particular area, price might continue up, retest, then continue with uptrend, or it might also break it down again, continue with a bearish. So let's see how the market will play. Always don't be ahead of the market. Wait for the market to print an important structure before you take it for a good trade. We had a GBP USD this week. I shared this setup to my premium channel, paid subscription. So we had GBP USD. GBP USD, we are looking for a price to break this level, guys, right? So this structure I drew here is, I'm looking for price to come and retest this zone before it actually goes up there. So let's see how this structure actually turned out to be. GBP/USD, there was no significant move after the break of this area, but you can see that yesterday we had GBP news, fundamental news. So the news are the ones which made a breakout of this area. So price has broken this area. I'm looking for a good retest before I take it. I take long positions. Others, maybe they have taken their long position, but I would love to see a good correction to this area before I take long position. So patience is everything in trading financial market. Let's see how USD CHF has actually also played. Well, previous 2 or 3 videos I shared on USD CHF. Price was here, so I was looking for a price to come and retest this level, this area. So to make a right shoulder. We had our left shoulder here. We have the head here. So I was looking for a right shoulder before I take it long. So let's see actually if the price came to that area, okay? Let's see on USD CHF. USD CHF exactly came to that area. But here, this is what I'm trying to see as well. As far as we have the left shoulder, head, and we're looking for the right shoulder, price might also make a deep correction, guys. Remember our 50 and 61 Fibonacci retracement is below this zone, is below this area. So price might make a deep correction before it goes up. So you have to be very careful and see how the market is going to be playing, how the market is going to print the price at that particular area. Well, guys, before I proceed to other opportunities, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the subscribe button so that you can be part of our community. Also, there is on your left, on your right, on the right hand side of the subscribe button, there's also a button here for notification. Click it and turn on your notification button so that once I share potential setups, you can instantly be notified. Kindly join us and follow us on Instagram. Be part of our channel, Telegram channel community, and also be part of us in Facebook and also for Twitter. Those are our original and official social media platforms, so that stay connected so that you can be notified anytime that we upload a new video. So guys, we also had the USD card this week. I shared this potential setup the previous in previous videos. So I was looking for price to come at this particular area to make a double top structure here. So price, I was waiting for price to come here before I actually go short. So let's see how the market actually played for USD card here. So this is USD card. Price did not touch that area of interest for us here. So price actually came just about to touch the area and dropped. So I'm sure others were scared to take a trade at this particular area. It's okay. But where the price is now, let's wait for a retest at this level before we actually go short. So let's wait for a retest of this neckline. This is a neckline. So once we see a retest at this particular level with a reversal structure, then we can be confident to say that we are taking short positions. But remember all the time to use proper risk management, okay? So, okay, let's look at CAD JPY. CAD JPY, we had also anticipated this move earlier this week, but there was so much of consolidation of this pair. So, but there's a small, not really a big move, but we could see there's a direction that price is going to go up, okay? So let's be patient, let's pay a close attention to CAD JPY as well. We have Audi NZD. Audi NZD. Audi NZD, we shared this earlier this week, this pair. We are waiting and we're interested price to come and retest this zone. This is one of the most interesting area. We wanted for price to come at that particular area. So let's see how the market actually printed for Audi NZD. That is Audi NZD. There was no significant move, but actual price came to retest this level. This level, guys. Price came to retest this level, and price is actually moving in a downward trend. So let's see how the market is going to actually play, but our interested take profit is at this level, okay? So pay attention also on that particular setup. Okay, for this week, that is how the market actually played in the market. Let's see on USD ZAR. USD ZAR is a fresh setup. USD ZAR is a fresh setup. I'm looking and I'm interested to see price coming to this particular area for a double top structure. So guys, wait for the price to come here. It might break, so you have to be patient and wait. Wait for the price to come here. Let it print a reversal structure before we take it short, before we actually sell USD ZAR. If at all price drop, this is going to be our first TP. And after the break of this neckline, then this is going to be our next TP. So wait for the market to print as we actually anticipate. Today, guys, I also want to share a cryptocurrency setups. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. So for Bitcoin, this is how I see Bitcoin playing for this week. Remember, Bitcoin is traded even on weekend, so pay a close attention. I'm looking for price to come at this particular area. This is an area of interest, okay? This is an area of my interest. So I'm looking for price to come at this particular area. And once it gives, and you can see, there's a channel here. There's a channel, the upward channel here. So once price comes to this area and break this channel, make a retest, I'm looking and I'm be interested to go short for Bitcoin. I'll be looking and interested to go short for Bitcoin, but let's wait for the market to come to the area of our interest. We have Ethereum. We also have Ethereum. I'm looking for Ethereum to come at this particular area, somewhere here or even somewhere here, right? Around this area, around this area. And you can see this is also a channel. So once price comes here and make some, maybe 1 or 2 touches with a reversal structure, I'll be looking for going short for Ethereum USD. However, if you extend this channel, right? If price comes and break this channel, retest it, then I'll be looking also, I'll be so much interested to take a short position for Ethereum. So let's also look at Litecoin. This is going to be our last pair for cryptocurrency. I'm looking at Litecoin to come at this particular zone, particular area, and make a bounce at this particular area, right? So also I can see a channel here, right? So after the break of this channel, a retest, then I'll be looking to go short for Litecoin. Remember that Litecoin is, and all these cryptocurrencies are traded up to weekend. So pay a close attention of this cryptocurrency pair so that you can take advantage of the setup being shared. Guys, please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click subscribe here, turn your notification button, follow us on Instagram, join our Telegram channel and other social media platforms. Stay connected, stay with us. We are sharing important information, and I'm looking forward to share more of what I know and what I have experienced on in the market. Well, that is all I have for today. I know today is actually Friday, so people are taking off the trade. Well, I just want to wish you a very good weekend. I wish you a very good weekend, guys. Stay with us in our social media platform. Again, one more thing, coronavirus. Stay indoors, protect yourself, guys. It's important. Your health is very, very important. Take care of yourself, guys, and I will see you and I will connect with you again next time. I wish you a very good weekend and cheers, guys.